Hello friends, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so glad you're here. Last night I was watching Amity Bloom's channel. She made these really cute Christmas trees out of cupcake liners. I think she used the little mini ones. I'm using the regular sized ones. And she also was making them into tags or Christmas ornaments, but I'm just going to make mine do that. Now I made this one last night. I put a sunflower at the top because I don't have any stars. I have a cough drop in my mouth if I'm sounding weird. Let me get rid of that. I don't really like the look of the sunflower. I might try something else. I have these little stars, but it's too little. And these are all just some felt flowers and like little jewel stickers, little dot stickers, pearls and rhinestones. I also have these, but I don't, they're just stickers, dots, but I don't like the colors. I thought maybe if I could cut this down, this would make a cute bottom, like going across the bottom. Like that. I thought that might be cute. One row of it. Lace could go across the bottom. That would be cute too. Actually, that would be cute. And I also have these little tiny pearls, which will probably be hard to actually get on. Might be easier if I strung them on something. I'm not sure about these, but they looked really cute on Amity Bloom's. I don't know if I want to get that fancy. But I'm going to skip this last page of the first signature. I don't know why, but I usually do skip the last page of each signature for some reason. Oh, then I wanted to show you the tag I made for the spot behind our little hidden picture doors. I sewed on an animal from that. Oh, his head got cut off. I didn't notice that. Poor Mr. Polar Bear. Anyway, that's what I did. That's what it looks like on the back. Sometimes I cover the back with another tag, but I just decided I can journal around it. It's not that big of a deal. But anyway, that's what I made to put in this page in the little pocket that we had hidden back here. So that's going to go in there. I think we decided to put it this way. Yeah, it's going to go that way so that when you open the book you can see it and not the back of it. Anyway, I'm probably going to put my Christmas tree on here, but I'm going to make a pink one this time. I was thinking about, actually, maybe I will cover this with this wrapping paper and put my Christmas tree on it, but I'll put this little deer up at the top, or maybe this deer up at the top. Yeah, and then that's just kind of blank down here. I can put my Christmas tree right here. You're going to open up your cupcake liners and fold them in half and then fold them in half again, and you do that with all of them. Looks like that one wants to fold that way. You do that with each one. Open that up, fold it, and then fold it again. Try to line it up because we are going to glue them down on the edges here. We're going to put glue right here on each one. So we'll get our glue out. I'm using Fabri-Tac because that's pretty much what I use for just about everything. And we're going to just glue it together. Probably didn't need that much glue. Just a teeny bit of glue. Alright, let's see if I can get less glue on this time. Probably not. Looks the same. Okay. And now the last one. Make sure it's sticking. Now you can put a hole in the top if you want to make it a Christmas ornament or a tag for your journal, but I'm not going to do that. But the next step is we'll take our first one, our top one, we're going to open it up a little bit, and we're going to put glue right here on this one, and we're going to just kind of put it right up like that and press so it will stick, and then the same with the bottom. Need to hold it a little bit longer. You can make these longer or shorter depending on how far up you put the next cupcake holder. And then you'll see that there's going to be like 2 sides here and 2 sides here. So I just put it in the middle. Oops. And I'm just going to hold it like that for a few minutes, or well, not a few minutes, a few seconds. And there we go. That's our Christmas tree. And now the next thing is to decorate it. We can do that. Then I have this lace. I don't think I would put a big lace on the... Could put lace like that. I don't really like how this lace is looking though. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is put some dots on it. And this can be a little hard for me because my dots are old. These are too big, but some of these dots don't stick so well anymore, I discovered last night. So I even have heart stickers, some rhinestones, there's some little pink ones, light pink, dark pink pearls, little, well, these are different little jewels shapes. And then I have, these are like little teal sea foam, I call them, sea foam. Here's some gold ones. Let's see, what else have I got? Oh, some flowers and some rhinestones. I've got hearts. I don't think I'll use the hearts though. Nope, I don't think I'm going to use the hearts. I am going to put one pink flower on each tier of my tree. I might need to add glue to some of these. Don't know for sure. Okay, that looks cute. That looks really cute. The top now. I don't want to use another sunflower. I didn't really like that look. I do have some other flowers. So let's see how some of these look, maybe. I've got white. I've got a pretty purple. Ooh, I like that. I don't have any pink except for this, and that's like part of one. It must have fallen apart. And then I have this color, and darker. This one or this one? Actually, I think this one. This one or this one. Yeah, I'm going to go with the darker one. Let's do that. we'll put a little dab of glue right here. Put our flower down and let it dry. Whoops. And then hopefully we'll try to put some maybe lace on the inside. Let's let that dry for a minute though. Oh, I didn't realize that was glaring at you the whole time. I'm very sorry about that. But here's our little tree so far. And I'm just going to let it dry a minute and then see if I might be able to put some lace here, but not this one. Alright, I found some white lace that's a little smaller that I thought I would try to put on the bottom here. So I'm going to have to put like a little glob of glue on the bottom, and then I have 3 little clothespins that I thought I could use to hold it on. So let's do that. So we'll leave that like that for a little while, and then we'll glue it into my book. And let's see if we have our numbers. We need a 1 and a 7. I think we have it. There's a 1, and there's a 7. Is that the right number? Yep, number 17. Alright, I'm going to leave that a few more minutes. And let's just go ahead and see how this will look over here. I think that's fine. We'll put 17 up there. I will link below to Amity Bloom's video making these, and just in case you're interested in seeing how she does it. You know, of course, everything Amity Bloom does is beautiful and absolutely gorgeous. She used neutral colored baking cupcake liners, which really looked cute too. Alright, so now I'm just going to put some glue on the back of this. Of course, it won't be as 3D as if you were hanging it on a Christmas tree, but I think it's going to be cute in my journal. We're going to put it right here so we don't cover up too much of the cute little deer. So that's it for my Day 17 of December Daily. I hope you guys are well, happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see you again for number 18. Bye-bye.